with Arnav. Today's video is about Deadliest Snakes. If you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's go to the video.
Green anaconda. Green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world. Green anacondas can grow more than 29 feet. The heaviest anaconda ever recorded was 227 kilograms. Python. Python is the longest snake in the world. Python can grow as long as 33 feet. Pythons are non-venomous snakes found in Asia, Africa and Australia. King cobra. King cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. The king cobra can grow up to 5.5 meters long. King cobra is famous for its hood, which with a hiss spreads out in movement of rage or fright. Inland taipan. The inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. One snake's poison is enough to kill at least 100 human adults or 250,000 mice. Because it can act so fast, it can kill a person within about 45 minutes. Barbados THREADSNAKE. Barbados THREADSNAKE is the smallest snake in the world. It was discovered in 2008. This creature resembles a brown and shiny earthworm. This snake is around 10 centimeters long. RUSSEL'S viper. While other snakes lay eggs and hatch them, RUSSEL'S viper give birth to young ones by hatching eggs inside. The baby snakes molt as soon as they born and highly venomous immediately after birth. This snake lives in rice paddies and grassy areas of Asia. Black mamba. Black mamba is the fastest snake in the world. It is known as the world's deadliest snake. They have the moving speed up to 20 kilometers per hour. When an enemy gets too close, the black mamba raises its head high and hisses. If the predator doesn't back off, the snake strikes again and again. The black in its name comes from the inside of its mouth, which it shows off when threatened. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake are ovoviviparous. That is, it gives birth to live young after carrying the egg inside. The rattle is found at the tip of the rattlesnake's tail. The snake uses the rattle to warn potential aggressors to back off or to distract prey. Human's hair and rattlesnake's rattle are made of the same substance, a fibrous protein called keratin. It is one of the most venomous snakes. GABOON viper. This snake is a record breaker. It has the longest fangs in the snake world, about 2 inches. It produces the largest volume of venom of any known snake. An adult female gives birth to as many as 30 or more live youngs every 2 to 3 years. Mozambique spitting cobra. It is one of the smallest cobra species at 4 feet long. With fixed fangs at the front of the mouth, it bites prey to inject poisonous venom. When threatened, it shoots venom from the holes in the front fangs. Its venom can cause blindness. It can raise itself up to more than half its body length.